Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And we have here this 2015 S550. It has the 4.7 twin turbo engine. And when I show you, there's a strange leak going down the exhaust, the driver's side exhaust, all the way down there. And of course you need to get a proper diagnostic. But what I see, this car has about 60,000 miles, and there's oil dripping on top of the right there. This is the exhaust connection after that's before the catalytic converters, so that's the headers, I believe. And right there, there's oil dripping on top of this, and burning oil, smelling everything around. And as you can see through here, it's actually right there. There's right there in that corner going down, there's oil and stuff. So I had the car on the left trying to find out what's happening, and actually I'll show you what is happening. Is this there's these engines, and especially the V6s, the V6s from like 2000, I believe from the 2000 years and on, have these little plastic camshaft plugs, is what they call them. And what's happening is these plugs will start leaking, and in this case, this is the problem here. We have the same camshaft plug right here, on this driver's side right there in the corner, and it's actually leaking all the way down. See, this is fresh oil. This is like a very cheap part. It's about $10-20 part, but it's leaking, creating a big mess. So you have this situation. Look at this plug. Actually, it's, if you look from top here, without using the mirror, it's this plug right here. It's this thing right here. It's this black little surface that you see. That's the plug. So that's what you gotta replace. Already got the part. We just need to replace it. This is the part. It's this is the it's supposed to be the OEM part coming on this. Yeah, this is the part number, and actually it is a OEM Mercedes part. That's the part number. It's basically the seal here is starting to leak. It's probably too old. It's dry rotted, so it's seeping oil from this gasket here. So these were very common on even all the engines after the 2000s, that they start to leak every maybe 50,000 miles. And down here southern, I live in Atlanta, so that the weather is pretty hot, and the seals they tend to go bad faster than if you live north. And on this picture, the seal is actually right here. It's behind this pipe. It's only one. I don't see anything else. I couldn't find another one, so it's only one on that side, and I see it clear that it's leaking. So this is what we're going to replace. Okay, again, I'm trying to show you how to replace this. Okay, where is it? It's right here. Okay. Where's the best view? Okay, so you're gonna need to get a flat screwdriver and try to open this cap slowly, and so you can get it out. It's only kind of pushed in, so there's nothing holding it. And it actually fell down, and this new one, this is the new one. I'm gonna smudge a little bit of grease, just very lightly. I'm gonna just smudge a very light grease on the seal right here, so it helps me to install it back. Okay, here's a little bit of grease, so you gotta try to maneuver. So I'm gonna try with my left hand to get in there all the way down here. It's a tight place, but okay. Okay, the cap is in, and this is it. And of course you need to clean all that oil on the top of the exhaust with some degreaser and water, and then the back of the engine, so it doesn't stink anymore like burned oil. And that's it. This is the solution of this problem. Of course, if you have, you know, something else going on, you don't know what you need to do, you need to get a proper diagnostic. This is the problem in my case with this car. Again, it has about 60,000 miles, and it was leaking pretty badly on top of the exhaust, the driver's side exhaust. So that's it. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching again, and please like my videos and please subscribe. 2015 S550 Mercedes. Thank you.